So guys, Apple held an virtual event on September 15 at 10:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time to launch new products and to announce new services for users. In this video, we are going to discuss about all the services and Apple products announced and the price and availability of the products. So guys, welcome to Always a Learner. We believe in good, better, best. Never let it rest until your good is better and your better is best. So before we go further, please press the like button and share it with your family and friends. So let's get straight to the video. So guys, back on June 22, 2020, Apple held Worldwide Development Conference to announce new operating system for iPhone, iPad, Watch and MacBook. The event was also virtual and incredibly streamed. Yesterday, Apple also nailed in holding the event. The event was named as Time Flies, was especially targeting to Apple Watch launch. It was already confirmed Apple is not going to launch iPhone 12 lineup on this event. We have to wait more for new generation iPhones. The whole delay was because of the pandemic going on Earth. If we talk about the yesterday's event, Apple launched its new generation Apple Watch Series 6, Apple Watch SE, iPad Air, iPad 8th generation and Apple One and Apple Fitness Plus, and software updates were also released. So let's talk about Apple Watch Series 6. Apple Watch Series 6 offers a similar design to previous generation Apple Watch models, but this time Apple added a new few colors including a navy blue and a red model. Navy blue color is also rumored as one of the colors of iPhone. Talking about the features, the new Series 6 adds a sensor to track blood oxygen saturation, which can help the watch track information about breathing and heart rate. The feature is added because of the current COVID situation. If we talk about the processor, the device is powered with a new processor named as S6 chip. The new S6 chip is said to be 20% faster than Series 5's chip. The processor is also fast enough to handle the always-on altimeter of tracking elevations and for the new blood oxygen monitor. The watch also features 2.5 times brighter always-on display than Series 5 along with whole new watch faces. The device also supports whole new feature family setup, which allows user to set up a device for family member without their family member needing an iPhone. The Apple Watch Series 6 comes with a solo loop watch band and is priced at $399. The watch is set to be available by September 18. At next, let's talk about an affordable smartwatch that was rumored but now is officially launched, Apple Watch SE. The device has overall similar design to Series 6, supporting features like family setup, fall detection and has the already powerful last generation S5 processor. The watch will be available on September 18 along with Watch Series 6 and is priced at $279, which is more affordable than ever. To make the event more incredible, Apple launched two new iPads, iPad Air and iPad 8th generation. Let's talk about the whole new iPad Air. iPad Air is first iPad after iPad Pro to get an edge-to-edge display. The iPad features 10.9 inches liquid retina display with relatively small bezel. The device still don't features Face ID for security, but because of making an edge-to-edge display, the Touch ID is now embedded in the power button. The iPad Air is far more powerful than the previous generation models with a whole new Apple A14 Bionic chipset. The chip is expected to power Apple iPhone 12 lineup. The chip is first ever to use 5nm process and delivers 40% CPU performance boost over the previous generation iPad Air, along with a 30% increase in graphics performance. The device also features USB-C port for faster connectivity to external third-party devices. The user will also be able to use Apple Magic Keyboard and second generation Apple Pencil. If we talk about the price and availability of the devices, the device is priced at $599 and availability is set to be in October in the range of different colors. Next, we have whole new entry-level iPad which also gets a spec bump. The device offers the same overall design but gets Apple A12 Bionic chip for improved performance. The chip is claimed to be delivering 40% GPU boost over the last generation models. The new A12 Bionic brings Apple's Neural Engine to the entry-level iPad for the first time ever. The whole new Neural Engine in Apple A12 Bionic chip enable more AI features for the user. The new iPad also supports Smart Keyboard and Apple Pencil, but the downside is that the device supports the first generation Apple Pencil only. The device is priced at $329 for the regular customer and $299 for students. You can pre-order now and the sales will begin on Friday. Now let's talk about the newly announced Apple services. Apple has been rumored to be working on a fitness service and the company took off the covers at the event. The new service is named as Apple Fitness Plus and is integrated with Apple Watch Workout app to offer guided workouts while still showing information like heart rate, time and so on. No matter which screen you have, iPhone, iPad or Apple TV, the service Apple Fitness Plus is available. Workouts include yoga, cycling, core, cool downs and so on. The service will be available before the end of the year and is priced at $9 per month and $79.9 per year. If you buy a new Apple Watch, the first 3 months of the service are free for you. Next announcement that Apple made was of Apple One subscription. The long-awaited Apple One subscription service allows you to bundle Apple services into one monthly payment while saving a little cash. Apple One includes Apple Fitness Plus, Apple News Plus, Apple Arcade, iCloud storage and Apple Music. It starts at $15 per month offering Apple Music, Apple TV Plus, Apple Arcade and 50 gigs of iCloud storage. The family plan comes at $20 per month and includes 200 gigs of iCloud storage and the ability to share up to 6 members of the family. And the Premier plan adds Apple News Plus and Apple Fitness Plus along with 2 terabytes of iCloud storage and comes at $30 per month. So guys, this was a recap of Apple September event. Hope you really enjoyed the video. Please like this video and share it with your family and friends. Comment which device you were excited for in the comment section. Please subscribe our channel for more such videos and press the bell icon to get notification for the new one. Your support is incredible. Thank you for watching. Never forget to smile.